Hello world, let's go. It's Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks here with the word of the week. Breaking down the word, man. We're going into that Bible. We'll get some other books too because there's a lot of good words out there. There are good words out there. But it's about embodying the words though. We have to process the words. What do they mean? So here's something. What is this? Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. Romans 12:21. Do not be overcome by evil. Defeat the evil with good. That's an old one. That's an oldie but goodie. You know what I mean? That's a kindness one right there. It's saying rise above. Take the high road. It's saying use the good to defeat the evil. But sometimes I guess you look at the world and you say, why does the evil always win? You know, some people are stuck in relationships and they feel like evil's always winning. They look out at the world and they look at the poverty and they say, why is evil winning? And they look at just disparity, racial disparity and discrimination, and you see these things, why be good? And my answer to you is because we're still here. Good works. There's nothing wrong with good. It's not broken. Good has kept us going to this day, to this age. Read the history books. There's been a lot of evil and destruction, but good has always come to shine. You know, in the darkness, that candle has always been there. And so I have faith that that candle will always be there. Why do I have that faith? Because I'm here and you're here. And we're going to be those candles. We can be that good to overcome the evil. And it's not pointing fingers saying, you're the evil one, we're going to defeat you. No, it's by shining that candle and saying, hey, we're bringing some light, some love, and some positivity to the table, and we're going to outshine your evil. That's what we're going to do. We're going to overcome the evil. We're going to shine so bright that the kids have no choice but to say, hey, this is the path. This is the way. This unconditional love through inclusion, through cooperation. Oh yeah, I said cooperation, not competition. That's a strange one. Working together? Yeah, working together works. It does work. Continue to love. Don't give up. You know, being good doesn't mean being submissive and just being passive. We can love from a distance. You know, sometimes love means stepping away. And step away from those destructive situations, which I see as evil, those destructive relationships, those destructive vices, whatever's holding you back from your dream. And overcome it with the goodness of your heart, because I know you're a good person, all right? I love you, God loves you. Just remember to love someone today, never forgetting yourself. At Mark Drew Speaks. Hey, be sure to subscribe. We're talking about the word, all right? I'm out of here. Peace.